Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So a couple of months back I made up a video on the 5 best BBA colleges in which I had rated Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies as ranked number 1 in India and Christ University's BBA number 3. This video is a continuation to that and I will be doing a comparative analysis of the BBA course or the BMS course of Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies with that of Christ University. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the very end because I'll be telling you all the details that you need to know about both these courses, each and everything. First and foremost, some key facts about Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. It was established in the year 1987. It falls under the Delhi University and it has more than 1600 plus students on campus. Alright guys, talking about the infrastructure of Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. Unlike all the government universities, the infrastructure at Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies is really very good and they have each and everything that a student needs in his or her college life, from high equipped classrooms to great auditorium to good playing fields for sports and your extracurricular activities. Each and everything that a student requires is there at Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. Likewise, all these same things are also available at Christ University. Talking about the admission process of both these colleges. So for Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, you have to score a minimum 60% in your boards, and for Christ University you just have to pass your board exams. Again, it depends on each of the course that you're going for and what is the eligibility for that. After that, you have to go for the exam which is called the DU JAT, which happens, and once that is done, once you meet the eligibility and the cutoff of that exam, there is a proper counseling process, which you may also want to call it like an interview process, where you go and interview and the teachers from Delhi University would then assign you the campus, and if you make it through, you will get the Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Study as a campus. For Christ University, you have to give the Christ University entrance test. After that, each and everybody who has given the Christ University entrance test would also be allowed to sit for the interview, and there will be also a small micro presentation where they'll give you a topic and you have to speak on that. It's more like an extempore that you have to do, and after that the results will come out. So this is what is the major difference between Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies and Christ University in terms of the admission process of both these universities. Since I am doing the analysis for BBA, here are some major differences between Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies and Christ University. Firstly, Sukhdev has two types. One is BMS and a BBA in Financial Investment Analysis. They also have other courses, but this is what I'm talking in terms of management. For Christ University, they have 6 types of BBA. One is BBA Finance and International Business, BBA FinTech, BBA Honors, BBA Data Analytics. So these are the various types of BBA there. For Sukhdev, you cannot go for these courses if you do not have math in your class 11th and 12th. Whereas for Christ University, all non-math students are also eligible to apply. When I rated Sukhdev as the best college for BBA in India, one of the key highlights that I talked about was the very low fees. So guys, that is the reason it is one of the die-hard colleges where it's like a dream of each and every student to go into SSCBS, just because the fees in this course is really very less. It's 14,000 rupees per year and 25,000 rupees respectively for above mentioned courses. So that is the reason it's just the top priority of every student who's clearing his class 12 board exams right now. Whereas for Christ University, no matter how good it is, the fees is into consideration and they have a very high fees, which is about 1,60,000 rupees and above each year. So the amount of money that you would be spending in Sukhdev in comparison to that of Christ is going to be way less. And again, that's the reason it's just the top priority. Talking about the seats, so Sukhdev, just because it comes in the Delhi University, has quotas reserved for SC, ST, CW, PWDs, EWS and all of that, whereas Christ does not have any of those quotas. In terms of the strength of the class, Sukhdev has got smaller batches, which means that the seats there are pretty less, 232 and 113, whereas Christ University has a lot more number of seats, which is like 700 and 240 for BBA Honors. So now again, I'll leave it up to you what you want to make of it. One way you can look at it is that yes, which means firstly less number of seats, that means very good quality intelligent crowd, okay, but at the same time also it means that it'll be really very tough to get in comparison to that of Christ University, because higher number of seats, so no matter how the competition is, you still have a higher chances of making it through. On the other way, if you want to look at it, you can even say that yes, the kind of diversity in the class would be little less, because when you're in 232 people, it's less in comparison to that of 700. So I'll leave that up to you of how you want to judge about it, but these are the stats in front of you. Both of these courses, BMS in Sukhdev and BBA in Christ and BBA Honors in Christ, they have specializations at the start of the third year where students can choose a specific specialization that he or she wants to intake. Sukhdev has got 4 specializations. One is in finance, the other is in HR, third is in marketing, and the fourth is in global business environment. Whereas Christ has his specialization in finance, human resources, marketing, and entrepreneurship. Not a lot of difference other than the last one, global business environment and entrepreneurship. In terms of the hostel fees, Sukhdev's hostel fees is about 1,28,700 rupees per year, whereas hostel fees of Christ University is 52,000 rupees 318. But mind you guys, this is without food, and the hostel fees of Sukhdev is with food. Not a lot of people choose up hostels in both because of the availability and all that, but just in case if you're going for the hostel, this is the number that you have to look at. Anyways, if you look at the total expenditure that you will be spending for Sukhdev and for Christ University, there's still going to be a vast difference, because Christ is charging money in lakhs, okay, which is not the case with Sukhdev. Talking about the attendance and everything, so yes, Sukhdev minimum attendance required is 66.67%, whereas for Christ University is 85%. Now again, I'm not going to get into that debate of whether being strict is a good thing or is a bad thing. That's for you to decide, but this is what it is. A lot of people can take goods out of not attending a lot of classes in Sukhdev. That means they have the liberty to do whatever they want to. Somebody wants to work on a startup, they can do that. Somebody wants to prepare for the CA exams, they can do that. Somebody wants to prepare for the CFA exams, they can do that. For Christ University, naturally, if you're attending so many classes, it just becomes a little tough to manage those things, but again, you can do that as well. A lot of people feel that having a stricter environment is good for them. So again guys, this is not like one size fits all. It's on you of how you decide. Last difference again is in the Delhi life and the Bangalore life. Now I'm again not going to get into the debate of whether Delhi is good for studying or Bangalore is. Each of it has got its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and I think it majorly depends on the student of what he or she makes of the university or of the particular life. Bangalore has got its own things of having the Silicon Valley, the startup capital and all of that. Delhi, and at the same time, is the capital of the country, and just like in Bangalore you've got Whitefield where all the good companies have set up, whereas in near to Delhi is Gurgaon, where is the cyber city, cyber hub, and all the major companies have set their headquarters there as well. So in terms of your access to the corporates is also pretty good in both of these cities. But again, talking about the life in both of them, I think it's what you make of it and what you prefer or what your parents prefer. A lot of parents might not want to send their kids to Delhi, or a lot of parents might not want to send their kids to Bangalore, considering it's towards the south for a lot of them. So it's on you to decide, but these are the major differences between Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies and Christ University. While talking about the differences, let's just also look at the similarities. So guys, I think having to check out the faculty profiles in both the universities, I think that faculty is good in both of them, Sukhdev as well as Christ University. Again, not going into one particular faculty, everybody can get some good experiences with a particular faculty and everybody can get some negative experiences with particular faculty, but in general, what is required for an undergraduate degree, I think teachers there are very well experienced and learned in terms of the domain knowledge, and they can teach you really well, so nothing much to compare on that. In terms of events and fest, again, both of these, like I said, are the top universities in the country for BBA. So, and for BBA being a general degree, they don't compromise on events and fest. Be it Sukhdev or Christ University, they've got tremendous amount of fest throughout the year that is happening, from Enactus to their particular business fest. Each and everything is there, and I think for your all-round development and holistic development, both these universities are doing a great and a fabulous job. So again, there's nothing much to differ here too. Along with that, networking and placement. So guys, I'll be listing down the placement data mentioned on the website of Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies as well as of Christ University. As far as of what I could read of the placements, they both are really good. All the top-notch companies of the country like Bain Capital, BCG, McKinsey, DE Shaw, all of them visit both these campuses of Sukhdev as well as Christ University, so there is nothing much to worry on that bit. Even the networking, both of them are really good because the quality of the crowd that gets there, at least on the central campus and the BGR campus of Christ University and Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, the crowd is really good. It's just like the cream of the cream, as well as your bondings with your seniors and everything is really good. and I think that plays a huge role in your learning and development. So when you see your seniors doing really well, you also are motivated, you also can reach out to them, you also can get a lot of guidance from them, and I think both these universities are doing a great job. So nothing much to cherry pick in both of these universities. Both are really good, and it's majorly on you to decide which one you would want to go for. If maybe cost is the thing, then you probably might choose up Sukhdev, or maybe number of seats there in Christ University are higher, so your chances of getting to Christ University is better or higher, so you might go to Christ University. Again guys, if you get into any of these universities, you are at a good position from where you can start your undergrad degree, learn, grow, and make a good name for yourself in the country. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video clears all your doubts about BBA at Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies as well as Christ University. And if you still have any doubts, question, queries, do put down your comments below. I will surely try replying to that. If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with as many people as you can. Put it up on your class groups and each and everybody who is aspiring to go for a good BBA course. I think it's a must watch this video. Last but not the least guys, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys can receive regular updates of whenever I'm uploading any new video. Take care guys. Bye bye. I'll see you soon with another video.